Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put like this. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we keep the same. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one. So that is about 2 with 2s, and this one that is about 4s. Because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change for u. This one we change for the u over number 4. So in this situation, I will put number 3 cone here. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have tan t square. 1 plus tan t square we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and du. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. Du that is about this one. So this one that is about secant of t square. This one we have secant of t. Later that we simplified. So the integration of this one that is about Fn of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So we can find the value of t that is about octan of u. So I will put this one to change for t. So tan with octan that is about u. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.